Moston Station, opened February 1872.
Constructed by the Lancashire and Yorkshire Railway Company, Moston is exactly 4 miles from Manchester Victoria on the line that connects it to Leeds via Rochdale. Opened in 1872, the station once provided an excellent service for both the cotton mills and coal mines of Moston, and the Avro aircraft plant in Chadderton, which was the birthplace of the Avro Lancaster. The site, renamed British Aerospace Chadderton, was closed in 2012, and the closure of the Oldham Loop in 2009 resulted in Moston's passenger numbers dropping dramatically, from 126,000 in 2014 to just 55,000 in 2018. Now unstaffed after the station buildings were demolished in the 1990s, it was given a reduced timetable and the station's legacy was under threat. On the 28th of January 2015, a freight train to Doncaster struck the platform supports along the leading edge of the down platform, displacing parts of the platform structure, which were then struck by a following passenger service. There were no injuries, but both trains suffered minor damage. As a result, a fairly large section of the down platform had to be rebuilt to modern standards. And now, with additional funding being released, Moston Station is once again becoming a useful and popular station.